Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with Thunder, and today we have Aditi from Shine's Edits. So today we're gonna be up for the challenge because we asked our parents if we can have junk food, but well they said no. So we're up for the challenge. So if we win the challenge, we get fast food. But if we lose the challenge, well, we get fruits and veggies. So Aditi here will explain the rules.
So here are the rules. We get the Nerf guns and we have post-it notes on the wall, and it says one is McDonald's, one is Domino's, and one is KFC. If we shoot with the Nerf guns to that target, then we might get it or we might not. So if Rhythm gets Domino's and I get McDonald's, then we have to do scissors paper rock to see which one will go. But there's a twist. The twist is Rhythm's dad has to come in. He gets a chance as well. He'll shoot at the mom target, and if he does shoot at the target like very correctly, well, we have to eat fruits and vegetables. Well, let's get started. Here they are.
So let's get shooting.
Do you have enough donuts? So I'm going first, and I'm going for McDonald's. Sorry. Not one.
Okay guys, so it's my turn now, and I'm aiming for Dominos.
Dominos.
Okay, let's shoot.
Oh!
Got it. I'll try again. Oh no, I wasn't on it.
Yeah. Try again. Come on, then you can do it.
Okay guys, I got the Dominos.
So I'm going first, and I'm going for McDonald's. Sorry. Not one.
Uh-oh, here comes the spoiler.
Dun dun dun. Good. Thank. Did you get it?
Yes.
No!
Guys, never mind guys, we got another 3 chances left. We got another 3 chances guys.
Unfortunately, we have to eat fruit.
Yeah, but guys, we have 3 more chances.
Two.
I mean 2 more chances of 3 chances. So,
Let's try.
you have to eat. Oh my god.
I hate this. It's too sour. Then you have to eat your date.
Let's go.
No date.
Round 2.
We have to get Domino's. Then we still have 2 more chances.
Yeah.
You can do this. You can do this. 1 more chance. Use it wisely. Yes!
Okay guys, we got Dominos. Let's.
So I'm going first, and I'm going for McDonald's. Sorry. Not one.
Let's go. We got Dominos.
We got Domino's.
Let's go. Sell.
Hey guys, so Domino's, and we got a pizza. Let's go home. Guys, so Domino's, and
And we got some pizza. Luckily, we didn't have to eat those stinky vegetables and fruits. So we're gonna eat this pizza.
So let's go home.
Yep.